check out this is 2011 Hyundai Sonata GLS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include steering wheel audio controls, steel wheels, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, power steering, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, and brake assist. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.